Hi Plonkers, Daft Scots here, and today I thought I'd vlog you about the Bloggers Ink Challenge, which happened last month. I got a lot of entries, which was awesome, and just to let you know that the winner of the Bloggers Challenge for this year was Batcrap Crazy. I'll put the link below so that you can go and have a look at her tattoo. Hopefully by now she's put up her winner's button on her blog, and be sure to come back next year for the next Bloggers Ink Challenge. Actually, I might have one a wee bit sooner than that because there's so many people that wanted to enter and were too late, and so we'll see. Maybe towards the end of the year I'll do another one. Anyway, just another little thing I can vlog about is that the winter is officially dead and gone, here in South Africa that is, which means shorts and t-shirts and flip-flops, my favourite. Okay, well it's not my favourite, but I do like flip-flops. Which means we don't have to bundle up and look like Michelin men and feel 10 times fatter than we actually are. So we're busy redoing our pool, because we found a leak somewhere, and throughout the whole winter it's been leaking through our garden, and so we drained it, and we're going to re-silicone all the tiles around, and so hopefully in a week or so we'll have a swimming pool to swim in, which the girls are looking forward to, and me actually, because normally what happens in the summer, when I get home from work, which is pretty early, I normally get home about 4:30 in the afternoon, then we've still got time for a nice swim and to, you know, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the water. So I'm really looking forward to that. That's so exciting. I love summer, and I'm sure most of you bloggers have read about my post about winter officially sucks, and it's true. I bitch the whole winter long about how cold it is and how miserable I am, and that I hibernate and I fall off the face of the earth, really, because you just don't feel like doing anything. You just want to stay home under the covers and hide. Whereas when summer comes, you want to be outside, you want to be doing stuff that's fun and in the sun, and there's so much to do here in South Africa in the sun. So anyway, I'm getting a wee bit excited about summer, as you can tell. So I will calm down now and tell you about my awesome Eden Fantasy giveaway. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to put like a time limit on this one. I think I'm just going to let it run for maybe a few weeks and see how many entries I get. It's looking good so far. I'll also put the link below so that you can go and visit. It's a $30 gift certificate for Eden Fantasy. And if you go to their website, you'll see that they do a whole bunch of lingerie and corsets, and of course the adult toys. They've got tons of stuff there, great selection, and their quality is really good. You'll see that they've got lots of reviews and testimonials there about people who use their products and are really happy with them. So get entering. You don't want to miss out on $30 worth of sex toys. Right, so that's my vlog for the next few weeks, I suppose, because I'm not a daily vlogger, I'm not a weekly vlogger, I just do it when I feel like it. So that's about it. I'm off to work now because it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I've got to drop the girls off at school, so I will see you soon. Come visit at my blog. Bye.
Stick around.